In this video, I'm going to show you how to download NVIDIA control panel and install NVIDIA drivers on Windows. So if you go as example and press on Windows R, here make sure to type DXDIAG. So DXDIAG or DXDIAG. So go and enter that or hit the enter button, and this should take you here. So you can go to display, and here you'll be able to see your NVIDIA GPU. That is very important. So an example for me, since I have to, so as an example, this is the one that I need. Like here is it. I have my NVIDIA GPU on display 3. For you, just go and look through all displays until you find it. So now you have to go to the official website. So you can go to nvidia.com/download, and you can simply just enter like /index.aspx. Hit the enter button. So this should take you basically here. Here you'll have to enter, an example, your drivers. So go and look for your drivers. For example, for me, this one. So here, let's just see an example. So mine is RTX, not 50 series, 30 series example. And here an example, mine is this one. And yeah. So I can go and click on find once I choose everything. And I will have to wait a little bit. And here we are. So we'll find now the driver, and driver is ready. So if you want a studio driver, or an example, game ready driver, so click on view whatever you want to install, and you'll find the download button. So for me, as an example, as you can see in here, I already have the control panel already installed, so I'm not going to download this. But for you, just go and click on download, and as you can see, it will download an exe file. Click on save, and once it's downloaded, you can just go and double click on it. So it's an exe file, so you'll have, let me just go and delete that. So it's an exe file, so it's like that. You can just go and double click on it, and it will open basically the stuff that you want. You can just follow as example that, and you should be good to go. And once it is installed, of course, you can go and open it up. And here, you should find an example, your drivers both, or your GPUs both. If you have two, if you have one, of course, you'll be able to find one. And that means it's good to go. You can now use it doing anything that you want. So that's how you download the NVIDIA control panel, and installing drivers will basically be automatically after you download the control panel. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.